Do you want to earn money watching videos online? I'm going to share with you a way of making money online just by watching videos. You can earn $30 a day just by watching videos. Yes, just like this, you can earn money. It's so easy, completely free to start and available worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live. You can start making money online today and you don't need any skill and experience. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. Earn money watching videos online. This is the website I'm gonna share with you today, rewardable.com. Rewardable.com. This is the website. As you see, you can watch videos online and make money. In this video, I'm just gonna talk about this one, watch videos. Also, you can do some other tasks. When you complete other tasks or surveys, also you can get paid. But you can watch videos. Just by watching videos, you can get paid, and this is a cool way of this website. And as you see here, it's available on App Store and Google Play. I'm gonna show it to you. You see, it's available on Google Play and App Store. I'm gonna show it to you on Google Play. If you click here, you will come here. This is on Google Play. This is Rewardable application, and as you see, over 21,000 reviews, near to 22,000 reviews, that most of them are 5 stars and positive, and the rate of this application is 4.4, which is really cool and nice for an application. As you see, very useful and fun. Happy to have it. Nice HD. Wish I could have more access to the restaurants. And this is one of the reviews, and there are lots of reviews here are available. You can see them and read them. You see, most of the guys are happy with this application, and you can just watch videos online and get paid just like this. As you see, great app if wanting to earn money while making time go by. Yes, that's all what I'm talking about. This application, Rewardable application, this is just like this. And if you want to make money online, this is the way that you can make money. And here, how does it work? Download the app, find tasks nearby and click complete now to start your task. Complete tasks to earn cash. Yes, this is the way. Also another way of making money with this application. As you see, you can choose a lot of things. For example, you can choose restaurants, you can choose videos to watch, and you can choose surveys. A lot of things are available here just for you. If you want to make money with this application, you can try it, give a try today and just give it a shot. That's how it works. If you're interested in this application, you will continue to earn money. And as you see here, most of the reviews are 5 stars, so it shows that this application is really legit and works, and you can make money. And please keep watching, because I'm gonna share with you another cool website that also you can make money just by watching videos online. Yes, just by watching videos online. The next website, as a bonus of this video, I'm gonna share it with you, is hideout.tv. Hideout.tv, entertaining videos, amazing creators, no secret handshake required. Yes, just like this, you can watch videos and comment and like the videos and just get paid. Yes, as you see here, creators upload your videos, grow your audience, and get paid with hideout.tv. This is for creators that they have videos, and also you can make money just by watching videos in this website, hideout.tv. You need to create an account in this website, and then by watching just videos you can get paid. And also you need to have another account, because in this website just you will get some points. You will get some points of watching videos. Then you need to redeem your points for PayPal money. That's why you need a website to connect to this website, and then you will be able to redeem your points for cash money. here, earnably.com. As you see here, you need to sign up in this website, earnably.com. After signing up in this website, you have the access to hideout.tv. Also from this website, you can watch videos. As you see here, watching videos, you can watch videos, and there are a lot of videos available on Hideout TV. Also in this website, they are connected to each other. That's why you don't need to go to hideout.tv. From this website, earnably.com, you can watch videos online, and no need just to go to Hideout TV. But if you want to make money with Hideout TV, you need to have an account here, then log in, and after that you need also to log in this website, earnably.com, and then you can start making money just by watching videos, with Hideout TV. Or another application that I already showed you today is rewardable.com. This is the application of this website, Rewardable, and this is the website, rewardable.com. This is the website of that application, and this is the application. It's available on App Store and Google Play, and you see the rate and rank is so great, and you will get paid directly to your PayPal account. Rewardable, this is the application, the first application that I already showed you, and rewardable.com, this is the website. And the next website is hideout.tv, hideout.tv, that for making money online with this website also you need to have another account on earnably.com, and then you can start making money online today just by watching videos. This is a cool way to make money online because there are tons of videos for you, and they are not boring at all, because there are lots of categories for you that you can choose that what kind of videos you're interested in watching, and then watch those videos and then get paid just like this. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I will answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel, click subscribe, click, don't forget it, subscribe, click. To watch more videos, please click subscribe, click.